Hi, my name is Graham Powry and I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for Easy. So Easy has been around for about a year as a brand, and we formed it to be the brand to take into Europe and LATAM. We come from a live casino heritage, and we just think this is a great opportunity to expand into those regions.
My name is Michelle Silva. I am a product analyst at Easy. The name of this game is Fantastic World. It's based in a fairy story that happens in this fantastic world. The players get to spin the wheel and get the chance to go to one of our bonus games that happen inside of this castle and can give access to many juicy multipliers. You can test your lucky with one of our magic books and see if lucky favors you.
So there are many bonus games in this game, I see.
Yes, we got two bonus games called Magipose and Fantastic Time. In Fantastic Time, we got 25 magic books that you can pick one and see if you can find the most valuable book. And in Magipose, it turns the pages 20 times and give you multipliers by the color. If you pick the right color, you can have multipliers up until 500 times on your bet.
And can you tell us some about how this game was created? What inspired you to design it?
Absolutely. So we wanted to create a new format of game show that can provide the players the fun of the entertainment industry. So we are using now backgrounds developed in Unreal Engine, which is the most famous engine that people use to create AAA games. So most of the players are already familiar with this kind of engine. We also wanted to create a very nice visual experience using film-like quality images. And this time we also have two versions. The total virtual version with a host generated by AI that can interact with you in real time. And we also have a human host that brings the feeling that most of the players are already familiar with, interacting with a person, but also being able to interact with this virtual character that brings the high technology in and a lot of fun too.
And what I see here, this is live?
This is live. Both of these games are live, being the virtual version generated by pre-recorded clips that can understand the game flow and interact to you in real time, with game results generated in real time, but with data processed like up until 6 months ago. So it's being developed in a way that the content can adapt to the gameplay and provide the games a real-time experience, but with content pre-recorded in a library that can understand the gameplay and make it feel on time and real.
Very exciting. So your actual studios are very much the same as what you can see here.
Yeah. Our studios are based in Malta. We have the structure with the green screen and also real devices like the blackjack tables, roulettes, and other devices. But this is going to be our first game available in two versions, both virtual and hybrid.
That's very exciting. And do you plan to have many more games like this?
Well, I hope so. Fingers crossed. We really hope that ICE give us very good feedback about it, because this is still a concept, but we are very willing to develop more versions of this game or any games that the industry wants to have. But yeah, we have very high hopes for this game, and we hope the players also like it.
Yeah, so we're really excited. You've caught us here at ICE this year, and what we're looking at the moment is we've got a game concept for a game show, which I think you've seen, and we've done that as we think the future's in the green screen, where we can able to customize it for the operators, make it their brand, make everything else, and also save them some costs and a bit of flexibility, and we're really excited about moving that forward this year. So we've got nine game types at the moment. We've got about 25 tables in our Malta studio. We're expanding at a rapid rate. We're looking at adding to that as the markets come in. We currently operate under MGA in Curacao, but we're looking to, and our games are certified for a number of markets as well. But of course, I'm here to drive more markets, more regulated markets, so we're looking to add as many as we can, scale up as quickly as we possibly can.
What personally interested you to join this industry and this company?
So I've been in the gaming industry ever since I was a blackjack dealer at 18 years old, and I've just kept going. So it's been a hell of a summer job. I really like live casino. Live casino is a bit of a passion of mine because of my background, and I like the enthusiasm and appetite and energy of this business, and I like starting something new and being able to come in and shape it, help drive the strategy, work with some really amazing people, and hopefully show some results through the year.
Are you good at card counting?
No, I'm not. I'm easily distracted, and I've never been very good. Even with 30 years in the industry, I don't want to play last box on a blackjack table.
Can you name some of your most popular games?
Yeah, I mean, we offer all the classic games, and we've also got Indian games, the Team Patinand, the Bahar, and the Baccarat game. But you know, like anywhere else, in a lot of the markets we're focusing on and looking at, roulette remains the monster, and it's there to be. We're also looking at a multiplier roulette because we see that as an opportunity. It's a segment that's here to stay, and it just attracts a different sort of player. So we're excited about developing that currently.
Can you explain what is a multiplier roulette?
Multiplier roulette is, I mean, Evolution started it with the lightning roulette, so where you can add that extra prize. It just brings another dimension. If you've won, but you could win again, and that helps build the anticipation and engagement of the customer. It caters towards those volatile, high action players.
In your view, what makes a game popular, exciting, and how do you incorporate that into the product?
So I think with the market now being all mobile in nearly every market, a game has to be exciting but simplistic, and it's a fine line between the two. You have to grab the customer's attention really quickly, and I say they need to be able to play with the sound down and understand it in under 2 minutes so they're not coming back, because it's about the leisure, not about learning.
What does responsible gaming mean in your own words, and what can a game developer studio do to support that?
So I think it's been great what the industry has done over the recent years. I mean, I come from a UK background. The UKGC has been at the forefront of responsible gambling, and I'm from that background myself in terms of regulated markets. And I think it's super important, the transparency that we're doing. We've done a lot of work with customers to explain what RTP means. RTP has softened, promotions have got a lot more transparent. This all helps build the trust with the operator supplier. And I think it's the stuff we're doing around limiting spend, making sure that people don't spend too much with the triggers is all super valuable for the customer and really important for the industry.
How do you assure that the games are fair in terms of RNG games?
Well, we don't offer the RNG because we're live, but we do the testing all the time. We have our certificates, we monitor the behaviors of our game, and you always look for outliers, plus or minus on the margin, and we just make sure that we stay on top of it that way. It's the right thing to do because trust is everything.
What message do you have for those who haven't tried your games yet and for those who are already enjoying them?
So first of all, for those that have been trying our games and taking it, thank you very much. We appreciate our partners and we look to build more. For those that haven't, we're available at eeze.com, and that's eeze.com, where our demo site is, and you can reach out to my team if you have any questions. We'd be more than happy to take you through the portfolio, look at your markets they're in, and hopefully we can build a nice partnership together.
Thank you very much for the interview.
You're welcome.